Greetings, Mark Brown here. We're going to be looking at how we can add a signature line right in our Microsoft Word document. Some of you might hear it before, but not too sure. So this definitely the video. I'm going to walk you through it step by step. Okay, so as you can see, this is our document, right? So we want to put the signature line below here. So we're going to come all the way up here to notice all of these are the tabs. So we're going to click on the insert tab right here. So when you click on the insert tab, what you will see definitely right here, notice insert signature line. You're going to click on it to go down, arrow that come down. Notice is a Microsoft have signature, add signature service. So we're going to click on this first one right here. You notice, bring up this dialog box. You can put the cursor upon it, you can move it, put it exactly where you want it, up and down, just like that. So right up in here now, you're going to put, so for instance, your name. So I'm going to put DR right here. Let me fix that. Then I'm going to put, now when as soon as I push that right here, you notice right down here, you can actually put the images. All right. Hold on, let me move back this from right here and put it up top right here. Right, place it up here. Yes, right up here. Right. So right down here now, example now, I'm gonna say all right, manager. Just the same right here, email. But I'm gonna come right here and I'm gonna click on OK. If you notice, I have it right down here. Notice. So I have a line where I can actually do it. So in case if I wanted to move it, I click on it. Now when I click on it, I come right up here. That's a picture format. When I click on picture format, notice the position. If I come right here, anyone I put it on the notice, it's shift. Just like that. Yes, you can actually do that. So this is how you actually put a signature line on a Microsoft Word document. So if you learned something from this, remember to go over and subscribe. So thanks for watching. See you in the next video.